Welcome to Glimpse. In this video, we'll talk about Binance, one of the most powerful and well-known cryptocurrency trading platforms in the world. But is it really the best choice for beginners? Let's start with the advantages that make Binance a standout platform. Binance offers a vast selection of cryptocurrencies, supporting over 350 digital assets, giving users a wide range of investment options. It also features low trading fees, starting at just 0.1%, with the possibility of further reductions when using BNB to pay for fees. Additionally, Binance provides various trading options suitable for all users, from spot trading to futures and margin trading. It also offers extra ways to earn, such as staking, which allows users to earn passive income by holding cryptocurrencies, and Launchpad, which enables investment in promising new projects. In terms of security, Binance employs advanced protection systems, including two-factor authentication to FA and the SAFU Insurance Fund, designed to safeguard users' funds in case of security breaches. However, despite these advantages, there are some drawbacks that users, especially beginners, may face. First, Binance's interface can be complex given the vast number of tools and options available, which might be challenging for new users. Second, Binance faces regulatory restrictions in several countries, which can affect the availability of its services in certain regions. Third, customer support response times can sometimes be slower during peak periods, making it take longer to resolve issues. Finally, some users may experience withdrawal limitations, especially if they haven't completed identity verification (KYC), which is something to consider when opening a new account. So, is Binance the best choice for beginners? If you're looking for a secure platform with low fees and a vast range of cryptocurrencies, Binance could be a great choice. However, if you're completely new to crypto trading and find the available tools and options overwhelming, you may need some time to learn and get used to the platform. Ultimately, choosing the right exchange depends on your needs and investment goals. If you think Binance is right for you, you can get started now, but always remember to educate yourself before diving into trading. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to support us by subscribing to Glimpse and turning on notifications so you never miss an update on the world of cryptocurrencies. See you in the next video.